2025 Mercedes AMG C63 is a very well-known model. This model is very famous in automobiles. This is a sedan body type. It has a very luxurious interior with different kinds of features. It provides a large interior with luxurious experiences, and it has a classy exterior look. As we all know, this sedan has several generations. Its last model was launched in 2024, and this model is currently available in the market. They provide multiple kinds of connectivity features like a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and many more. And it has different kinds of advanced features like the audio system, wireless charging, and many more. It has one trim, and this sedan engine is very powerful. In this model, they provide very comfortable seating in this model because they use premium quality materials. That's why this model seating is so comfortable. It has a very powerful engine for their previous model. They provide many types of features, so we can expect that in this sedan they also provide for their new model all these features with comfortable seating. When we talk about the Mercedes AMG C63, they provide many kinds of features in this sedan. As we all know, the Mercedes AMG C63's last model was launched in 2024, and in their past year's model, they provided the best features, so we can expect that they provide all features like an 11.9-inch touchscreen display, audio system with advanced features like wireless phone charging, Bluetooth connectivity, and many more. According to an employee familiar with product development, the V8 will not return in the C63 and E63, calling the original report as pure nonsense. Consequently, the flagship C-Class is expected to retain the plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder setup, while the range-topping E-Class will also be bitten by the downsizing bug.